Hello everyone and welcome back to Cage Computers. Today, we're going to upgrade this Dell Latitude E7440, a solid business laptop that can still perform great, especially after a few smart upgrades. With just a little effort, we can make it faster, smoother, and more efficient for daily use. This laptop originally comes with 4 GB of RAM and a traditional hard drive, which slows down performance during booting and multitasking. So today, we'll upgrade the RAM and also install a fast 128 GB MSATA SSD to give this laptop a brand new life. First of all, make sure the laptop is completely powered off and remove the battery carefully. Safety always comes first. Disconnect any power and use the right screwdriver for the job. Now let's open the back cover slowly. You'll notice how easily the Dell Latitude E7440 opens, giving you full access to RAM, storage, and internal components. Now let's start with the RAM upgrade. Here, you can see a single 4 GB DDR3L RAM module installed. Gently pull the metal clips to release it and remove the RAM. Now take the new RAM stick. Make sure it's clean and properly aligned. Insert it into the slot at a slight angle. Then push it down gently until you hear a click. That sound means the RAM is perfectly locked in place. This simple upgrade doubles your memory and helps your laptop handle multiple tasks at once, like browsing, video playback, and office work, all without lag. Now let's move to the SSD installation. Right next to the main hard drive, you'll find the MSATA slot. That's where we'll install our 128 GB MSATA SSD. Here's a close look. It's small, compact, and super fast compared to a normal hard drive. Carefully insert it into the slot and secure it with a small screw. This SSD will handle your Windows installation and programs, making the laptop boot and load apps much faster. Now close the back cover, tighten all screws, and reinstall the battery. That's it. The hardware upgrade is complete. Let's turn on the laptop and press F2 to enter BIOS. Here you can see both the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB SSD are detected successfully. That means our installation is perfect. Now plug in your Windows installation USB and begin setup. Format the SSD, create a new partition, and start installing Windows. Notice how fast the process goes. Everything loads instantly. This is the real difference SSDs make. While Windows installs, let's talk about a few important benefits. An SSD doesn't just make your system faster, it's also more reliable. It has no moving parts, so it generates less heat, consumes less power, and increases your battery life. When combined with upgraded RAM, it gives you smooth multitasking. You can open several apps, browse the web, and work on documents without slowdown. Once the installation is complete, install all drivers, Wi-Fi, graphics, sound, and restart your laptop. Now, just look at the speed. The laptop boots within seconds. Programs open instantly, and the overall system feels brand new. From a slow, laggy machine, you now have a powerful and responsive laptop ready for professional use. So if you have an older laptop lying around, don't throw it away. Just upgrade the RAM and SSD. It's simple, affordable, and gives amazing results. And the best part? You can do it yourself at home with just a screwdriver and a little patience. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cage Computers for more practical repair and upgrade guides. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.